Hi everyone, welcome to the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul. The Grand Bazaar is one of the #1 things that you need to check out when you visit the city. It is absolutely huge, and as you will see in a second, the aisles of shops keep going on and on and on. Please do drop a like right now, and also please do click the subscribe button. It does really help my channel out, so please do that right now. Now, if you've been to the Grand Bazaar before, do drop a comment in the comment section. Did you enjoy looking around all the stalls, all the shops? Or are you planning to visit sometime soon? Are you coming to Istanbul in the near future? Do drop a comment below, as it will be interesting to find out. But as you can see here, the shops are endless. The size of the Grand Bazaar is absolutely huge. And as you'll see, lots of Turkish flags, since it's actually 100 years since the formation of the Republic of Turkey. So currently the city is full of Turkish flags, and there's a celebratory atmosphere inside the city. Also, please do feel free to click the description to this video and check out the links in the description to the video. I have links to travel deals, travel items, and other things that you may be interested in purchasing, such as insurance, VPNs. So please do check out the description to the video and make any purchases if you're interested. But again, as you can see here, I can't emphasize how big the Grand Bazaar is. So it's definitely something that you want to check out, especially if you're interested in making some purchases of some items. You can obviously buy clothing, bags, furniture, and also sweet food such as Turkish delight and baklava as well. So I hope you're enjoying the video. I'm going to leave it there, so please do remain and watch the rest of the video, just so you can see some more of the shops within the Grand Bazaar. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video, and I hope you'll enjoy the rest of this video as well.
Crazy. Beğenmiyor, niye geliyorsun? Eşit etmek. life and you can see.